In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel your Hootsuite paid subscription. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now, let's get started. First off, let's make sure you're logged into your Hootsuite account. Open your preferred web browser and head over to the Hootsuite website. Once you're there, enter your login credentials. If you're already signed in, that's great. You can skip to the next step. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the Hootsuite dashboard. This is your command center where you manage all of your social media accounts. Now, look over to the upper right corner of the dashboard. You should see your profile picture or a Google profile icon if you logged in using your Google account. Go ahead and click on that. After you click on your profile, a drop-down menu will appear. This menu gives you several options, but what we want to do is find the option that says Manage Account. Click on that. You will now be directed to a new page where you can see all the details related to your account. Once you're on the Manage Account page, the next step is to locate the section that deals with billing. Look for an option that says Payment and Subscription. This is usually clearly labeled, so it shouldn't take long to find. Click on it. Now you're in the section where all your subscription details are laid out. You will see a list of all your active subscriptions, which includes the current plan you're on and any additional features you might have added. Take a moment to review this information, especially if you have multiple subscriptions. When you are ready to proceed, look for the Cancel option. It might be a button or a link next to your subscription details. Go ahead and click on that Cancel option. Now, Hootsuite may ask for a confirmation to cancel your subscription. This is just to make sure you really want to take that step. Read through any information or prompts they provide. It's always a good idea to understand what it means to cancel your account fully. Hootsuite may remind you about any features that you will lose access to once your subscription is canceled, so make sure you're okay with that before confirming your decision. Once you are sure about canceling, confirm your action. Hootsuite may send you a confirmation email to let you know that your cancellation has been processed. Keep an eye on your inbox, just in case. That's important, as it provides a record that you've successfully canceled your subscription. And there you have it. That's how you cancel your Hootsuite paid subscription. It's really straightforward once you know where to look. If you ever decide to return to Hootsuite in the future, you can always sign up again using the same process, and your account details will still be there. They usually keep your information for a bit, so if you change your mind, it makes everything easier. Before we wrap up, remember that managing subscriptions like this is an essential part of staying organized and keeping your finances in check. You should routinely review any type of subscriptions you have, whether they're for social media management, streaming services, or anything else. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please consider subscribing to my channel.